When I look in this mirror every morning, what I would see is a powerful woman, a woman that is not only helped by God, but a woman that is determined and knows that she's going to places and she's going to get there by the grace of God. Oh, hello there, and welcome to my office. First of all, if you're new to my channel, my name is Nurse Sugar. I'm a registered nurse, a nurse educator, a nurse coach, as well as a Navy veteran. Yes, your girl is not a Navy vet. And today, you guys are gonna be touring my dream office with me. First of all, if you're new to my channel, I'm just gonna give like a little rundown. And if you're an OG, you guys know my journey. I've been on this journey of not only being a registered nurse, but a content creator, as well as now a business owner. Now, I think I should have added that to my initial introduction. I am a nursepreneur. You guys should be proud of me because I'm very proud of myself. And one thing that I've always wanted since my business started to do really well, even from our launch, was I wanted a dream space where I can continue to create and give you guys all the inspirational content product that you guys have always wanted from me. And I'm so grateful to God that today, well, not today, whenever you guys are watching, or shall I say now, I'm able to have a space where I can confidently say this is my office, my humble abode. And if you guys can already tell by the theme, it is pinked out, because you guys, your girl is in our soft life era. And what that means to me is literally pink. I fell in love with pink literally, I want to say in 2021. I used to be that hardcore girl, but now I am so in love with pink. I feel like it just brings out the soft girly side of me that I didn't even know existed until literally 3 years ago. So I'm gonna walk you guys through my dream office. As you guys can already tell in the background, there's a lot going on. We're gonna do this together. Are you guys ready? Let's go. You guys are gonna love it. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. First of all, as I've said earlier on, it is pink now because your girl is in love with pink. I have this shelving unit that I'm so proud of because everything that I love is on this shelf. And the first thing we're going to talk about is this little frame. I'm going to take it out for you guys to see. In case you guys are not aware, honestly, I'll tell you what, my introduction to this video is literally not complete. I'm also an author of the bestseller, The Ultimate Nursing School Study Guide. If you are in the nursing community, pretty sure you've heard of it. Glory to God. God used me to create something that has helped tens and thousands of nursing students. And this is the cover of the book. And so I have my interior designer frame this for me. And so whatever I said in the beginning of this video, I am more than that in the mighty name of Jesus. But anyways, that's one of the things I'm very proud of on this shelf. Right next to that, we have this cute little vase that is so cute. A lot of pink is going on here. We decided to do a little bit of mixture with this brown leaf right there. And next to that, I have all these books from Amazon, and we have this thing to help hold them. Next to that is this cute little pink book. Again, we're gonna see a lot of pink. I put this in here just whenever I want to like be fancy and put my rings in here. This cute little bowl, and this is gonna be my headset stand. I think everybody have it at this point. It's like a little stand for your what you might call it, Apple AirPod Max. Now I have this forever flower that was gifted to me by, I'll tell you what, my only nursing friend. Now this friend of mine, her name is Telander. I met her at my first nursing job. She was so kind to me. Everybody was mean. You guys know nurses can be mean girls. She was the kindest to me. Even though we have both switched jobs a couple of times, we have remained friends, and she gifted me this. I want to think for my last birthday, not this past one. Also here we have this cute little lamp. I really love playing with a lot of light. And this cute little canvas of me, this is a gift from my sister. You guys, I'm the first of three children, and my younger sister Eniola, she's a nurse in the United Kingdom, gifted me this set, and so we have to put that in here because why not? While I'm still literally leaning here, what do you guys think of this rug? I think this is beautiful. It's ombre, it's pink, cream, and white. I love it. And right on the floor, I have this little basket where this basket is actually from Target. Again, you guys, everything in this office will be linked in the description box below if you guys want to buy them. But I have this for throw that I got from Anthropology. So beautiful. Again, a lot of credit will be given to my interior designer. Now to this beautiful table, it is from CB2. So lovely. I love this table, very functional. It does have this cute little drawer that I feel like I'm gonna be filling them up with my pens and things that I would like. And the most important thing after my table here will be my chair. I told my interior designer I wanted something that is very comfortable, that I can walk all day and not feel tired or feel like I need to move around. The cushion is so beautiful. This chair is from Wayfair. I know that much. Also, this is my brand new MacBook. I used to have a silver MacBook. I bought this pink because, like I said, your girl is in a pink girl era. We unboxed it. I can put it, literally just had like a video of me unboxing it for you guys. You guys probably see it on Instagram already. Next to my iMac is this table lamp from CB2. Now there's one important piece that I'm missing that I feel like I haven't spoken about, which is the wall. How could I forget to speak about that? Like, do you guys like the wall? This is called I can't remember. Lime wash. I know it looks like wallpaper. I'll be so insulted if anybody thinks this is wallpaper. A lot of work was put into this wall. It is lime washed, painted. I love it. And right after that, we have my gallery wall that I'm so proud of. You guys already tell. Now, if you guys cannot tell, I'm wearing the same scrubs I have on in this photo. This picture was actually taken in Lagos, and obviously I'm holding my baby, which I'm so proud of, the Ultimate Nursing School Study Guide, the study guide that I've helped thousands of nursing students succeed in nursing school. And I have to frame this picture because this was my 1-year anniversary picture of the launch of our study guide, and I just wanted to be able to see this every day that I walk into this office to remind myself of how great God has made me, because I don't want to be full of myself, right? Now, next to that, I have something a little funky because, all work, no play can be a little daunting. So, your girl sometimes like fashion and like jewelry, even though I have nothing on right now, don't mind that. And so I wanted something to remind me of, I can be a fashionista sometimes, or just like a jewelry person. Now, this is I won't say the word, the S word, right? It says, girl boss, a woman in control, taking charge of her own circumstances in work and life. Someone who knows her worth and won't accept anything less. Like, if I don't read this to myself every day that I work in this office, you can't tell me nothing. I have to read this to myself, because sometimes, especially when you're a lady and, especially first born daughter of a Nigerian aunt, so sometimes we forget who we are just by the people that we're surrounded with. And I feel like this quote will remind me of who God has made me to become. I love this. Now we're gonna move to this side of the office. This is another shelving unit. Hey, by the way, this shelving unit is from CB2. Very sturdy, very high quality. I love it. And just like the other side, here we have the back cover of my baby, the Ultimate Nursing School Study Guide. And this was my bio at that time. Now, whenever we do the version 2 of our book, this will be filled and will be a lot more, because your girl has elevated. Now, God has done that for me. Because one thing about me, I'm never going to take the credit for what God is doing in my life. Right here, we have this cute 3-set. Like, how cute is this, y'all? How cute. You guys already know what this is. It's vase and some flower. And right here, we have this cute little bowl. I love the good accent that comes with. More books, tissue, bowl, more books. And you guys, this lamp was initially purchased to be put on the table, but I and Brit decided this was a little too small for the table, and so we decided to put it here. And I have more picture of myself, the gift that my sister gifted me for my birthday, and then we decided to put it right here. I'm not gonna lie to you, this part of the office, I can't even tell you it's my favorite, because wait until you guys see the other side of my office. This air will not make me be great. Okay, wait until you guys see the other side of my office. So let's pan, and voila! First of all, I have this cute 2 ottomans right here. I feel like I just want my office to be a space where if I have visitors, they can comfortably sit and I can do my work and they can be comfortable as well. Also, I decided to go with this really cute beige color of curtains, and then like I said earlier, I have 2 ottomans right here, which I love. Now, before I go to the next side of my office, can we shine light on my chandelier? Look, it's giving pink, it's giving luxury, it's giving I'm in love. I love this chandelier. Has to be, I can't say my favorite thing in this office, but top three. I just love how it elevates the entire space. Now we're gonna move to the other side of my office. Oh yeah, like just imagine I've been working all day on my desk, I'm tired, and I decide, you know what, I'm just gonna take a chill pill right here, but I still want to be in the office. This is what this section of the office is giving. This love seat, I think it's from Top, T-O-V. I don't know if I'm saying it right, and I can't remember where this pillow is from, but like I said, oh, it's from CB2, yeah, CB2. I love it. It is so beautiful. We decided to add this for rug from Amazon to this space, because one thing about me is I love me a good wooden floor, but also sometimes I don't like stepping on them. So we decided to do as many rugs as we can. Another thing that I love about this space is this gold lamp. Like, let me stand close to it. Do we look alike? It's golden. I'm golden. I love it for me. And I repurposed my old IKEA mirror. And when I tell y'all, when I look in this mirror every morning, what I would see is a powerful woman. A woman that is not only helped by God, but a woman that is determined and knows that she's going to places and she's gonna get there by the grace of God. The fact that I can actually view my entire office just by looking into this mirror is so inspiring to me. And that is the end of my office store. It is so cute, it is beautiful, it is girly. I am in love with it. Be on the lookout for loads and loads of content that will be coming out of this beautiful space. Tell me in the comment section your best or your favorite part of this office space. I love you for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye for now. Mwah.